Alright guys, Chris Fix here. So today we're going to take out a differential on your 350Z. Alright guys, so the event went good on Saturday. The Z's all in one piece still. Look who's showing up. His wheel didn't fall off this time. But there's one thing I have to do on the Z, like super bad. The LSD keeps opening up on me, so I'm gonna pull her out. Some brake cleaner, clean her out, and then we'll be able to weld the diff up. I'm just gonna back it up right now onto the ramps. And then we can start ripping this diff out. It shouldn't take long like I was saying, but I gotta do the diff and then a pulley. The idler pulley up front is making a bunch of noise, so I have to replace that. It's not hard, there's one bolt on it and you have to take the belt off, but it won't be bad, so we'll get this thing on this ramps right now. So my exhaust has to be fixed anyway, so I'm just gonna pull that off and we can start taking off the axles and the drive shaft.
So we got the new shirts. Flip it over. The old pocket tee. Driveway belt. Shout out to Import Addicts Customs. Put the Instagram right here. It came out pretty sick. I love them. The text is my favorite. It matches the text on our banners. Don't mind my little imperfections because I don't know how to put a sticker on, but Brendan over here, he's got the exhaust off.
He's scraping the ground. There's like a hole right here.
Damn.
It's like, you can feel it.
Yeah, you can.
I could feel the air coming out when I was under there, so.
Damn.
We're gonna have to do some clearancing with the hammer. Over here, and right here. And hammer. Flatten this out a little bit. Hopefully have some more ground clearance. And this is where it's hitting the drive shaft, shouldn't hit anymore. And over here is hitting something. It is hot today. It's hot and humid. It's hot and humid today. Oh my god.
This fucking bolt's probably melted on.
Ugh.
This doesn't have a nut.
Alright, so I just got my exhaust off, and I think I figured out what my exhaust leak was. So as you can see, well, let me focus it. The test pipe has a bolt on this side. However, on this side there's no nut, so it's just all over. So that's definitely my exhaust leak, but we're gonna figure something out for this.
Oh. Okay, so we got all the axle bolts out and we got the drive shaft out, so there's 2 more bolts on the differential and then she can come out.
Alright guys, Chris Fix here. Today we're going to show you how to take a differential out of a 350Z.
Wait.
What are you doing?
Oh!
Ready? Alright guys, Chris Fix here. So today we're going to take out a differential on your 350Z.
Can we get this thing out?
2 more bolts. Chillax, guys.
Chill with my helmet too.
That's not yours.
It's my helmet.
There's one in the car that's yours.
I'm taking it. Sorry, Alex.
Alrighty, so.
And the diff is out now.
Look at, she's out.
30D. Approved.
Use LSD. Well, she needs to be welded.
Look at that, Johnny.
Alright, so now we got the diff propped up here, so once we pull the cover off, all the fluid should, in theory, go into the drain pan. But start taking the bolts out. There's 4 more left. The cover can come off. We can spray it with brake clean, get it all clean. We'll send some welds on it, I guess.
Bro, dude. Hard, don't you?
So we got the cover off, and now we're just gonna spray her out with brake clean and get her nice and clean, and we'll send some welds on it. Alright, so I'm just gonna show you how gunky this diff is. Probably hasn't been changed, but like the fluid, there's just like a coating of black on it, so we'll just spray it all out, get it nice and clean for the welder. Took Sleepy's car off the jack stands to move it out of the way. We're gonna go get food, and then once we're back we'll take the Z out, pull this thing in, start messing with the exhaust. We'll see how it sounds with no exhaust. Sounds the same.
Sounds like you're getting torque.
I know. Alright, so we got the diff over here. We got it on some jack stands, and we got some Tutty Whities under it to catch any leaks. I'm gonna wrap this gear with tin foil, so if any slag bounces it doesn't get stuck on that. Alright, so we just got a fresh thing of MAP gas. We're gonna heat this thing up until she turns red, and then send some welds on it. Stop for a second. Alright, so I have 3 more spots to weld, right here, and here. I'm gonna weld that up. Sleepy's cutting his exhaust so we can fix it. And Brian's polishing once again. So
I got one more to do after this.
we're all getting productive today, and we're gonna be ready for the next event. Alright, so we're just about done welding the diff.
No, we
I
weren't.
have half a hole and then another full hole. There. And then up there. But the welder ran out of wire, so we have to go to running and get some wire so we can finish the diff and finish Sleepy's exhaust. And then we'll throw some RTV and some gear oil in this thing and see if she eats. Alright, so we sent a little black paint on this so it doesn't look as bad. We put some gasket on that, so by the time we get back that should be all like tacky to the touch. We're gonna go grab some welding wire and finish this thing up. So we just got the new roll of wire. We're gonna load this sucker up and send some welds, finish the diff up, and then we can weld Sleepy's exhaust and finally be done welding for the night, because I'm over it.
I'm a full-time welder now.
Yeah.
I'm a full-time wheel restorer too.
So how are the wheels coming?
So, if you look behind the toolboxes, we have 2 completely done. I just need to go over them quick with aluminum polish again. And then this lip is polished. I just gotta paint it, and then this one I'm in the works of polishing. Once I'm done polishing this, I'm gonna paint both of these, and then we'll be done. Just gonna get tires and valve stems.
Oh, this thing's all welded up. Threw the cover on, paint it black. Looks better. Hopefully she doesn't blow open on me.
Last wheel almost done.
So weld this kid's exhaust. It's gonna look a lot better. So tired of welding right now. Alright, so the diff's all set. I filled that up. This where is leaking. I don't even care how pretty it is, but I need to cut out this section and weld in a straight pipe, because I was gonna weld this, but I just can't. It's just too thin and it just burns through.
Hanger, bud.
Let's see the measurements.
Right on the bottom. He wants to scrape. Come on. Ow. No!
We're gonna hear this roach. Still sounds like a tractor.
Let her warm up at least.
Oh my god.
You need to warm up for a little bit.
Does she bark?
How's it sound? Thing sounds like a kid now. Alright, so he's gonna get a gasket and
1.5 inch gasket.
tomorrow I gotta cut my exhaust and fix that. Throw the diff in. But we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, it's the next day. We're gonna throw the diff in the Z. We're just gonna do it outside because I don't feel like pushing it in the garage, and it's a nice day out. So Sleepy's exhaust came out good. A little ricey with that. With the blue.
My hat.
Because it's in two different spots, but he's gonna play some music onto this thing. Destroy the battery again. Alright, the diff is in. We just have to bolt up the axles right here. There's two, and then the drive shaft. And the welded boy will be in. It's my exhaust, like I was saying, because I scraped through it, and by the looks of it up there, I scraped through my flex pipe too, so that's sick. Brand new exhaust. Early toast. Look at that. What? The flex pipe on the right. Alright, so the diff is in. I'm gonna do the exhaust once I can get it in the garage again. And yeah, it's good to come down.
There's already fluid in it, right?
Yep.
Alright, so we got it back on the ground. We're gonna see if this Johnny works. If she chirps him, we'll
The trumpet scream.
yeah, time to let the trumpet scream because all the trumpets are out. She's chirping. Be locking them up. Not sure if he said it or not, but the only reason why it's that obnoxiously loud is because his exhaust is literally on the ground right here. So, don't think that's how his car actually sounds. She's chirping now.
So, just got this new pipe welded in right there. Hopefully, it's higher off the ground and we're not scraping it on everything. But we're gonna hang it up now. Sleepy's gonna help with this. And then, alright, she's all hung up. I kind of like hammered out the tip a little so it wasn't so like dented in, but it looks better. So we're gonna lower it and drive her out. ground clearance than last time, so I'm pretty hyped on that. Hopefully I don't scrape through this like the last one, but there's only one way to find out. So as you guys see, the exhaust is done, the welded diff is in, and the car's back together. I have to do the front control arm bushings, and she should be good for the next event, which is May 18th. Adrian's doing May 4th, but that's where I'm going to end this video. If you guys like this video, subscribe, comment, and leave a like. So I'll catch you guys in the next video.